guys!
Hi!
I'm Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to do another idea for Valentine's Day. We really hope you like it, we loved it, and of course subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any video. Let's start!
First of all, split the hair on one side of the head, and now we're going to do another division from here to the ear in this way because we want to do a heart. Hold this section of hair and we're going to do the same thing on the other side from here to the ear as well. You should have something like this because we want to do a heart on this side. And now we're going to comb the hair and hold it into a side and low ponytail. Next, we're going to start on this side picking up a small piece of hair and we're going to do a Dutch braid. Cross the outside strands under the middle one, and now we're going to start adding hair to the braid. We're going to add tiny pieces of hair just from the front. Again, cross the strands under the middle one, and now add hair to the braid. We're going to keep doing the same thing until we add the remaining hair, and we're going to follow the division. Hold the hair with an elastic band at the end. When you're ready, join the braid to the ponytail and hold it using an elastic. On the other side, I have this division and we're going to split this section in half. Now hold this section of hair and we're going to do a Dutch braid with this section as well. We're going to cross the outside strands under the middle one and add hair to the braid from the front. Cross the strands under the middle and add a tiny piece of hair from the front. We're going to keep braiding doing the same steps and we're going to follow the division. We will have to pull back the braid a little bit and we have to check every time that this braid is proportional to the other one. So the heart will look perfect at the end. And we're going to join it to the ponytail as well. With the remaining hair from the front, we're going to let it down and we're going to do another Dutch braid following the one that we just did. When you finish, join it to the ponytail and hold everything with an elastic band. To finish the hairstyle, I'm going to wrap the ponytail with the remaining hair and hold it with bobby pins. If you're doing this hairstyle with short hair like me, we're going to need a hair net to make the perfect bun. In here now we can hold it with some bobby pins or bun pins. To finish and decorate this hairstyle, we're going to use any accessory.
Okay guys, this is all for today. We hope to see you as well on Facebook and Instagram, and of course see you on our next video. Bye!
Bye!